welcome to another video. My name is Chloe Lee if you're new here. If you are, I'd love it if you subscribe down below. I make lifestyle videos like the one you're about to watch. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It looks like this, not like this, and let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So this is the purse that I currently have. It's got a nice long strap, which it's really hard to hold sometimes like this, but I really like purses like this, and it's kind of small. It's got two little zipper pouches right here in the front, so I'm going to get into those first. So this first little pouch just has like business cards and gift cards and things like that, because that's pretty much all that will fit in these little pouches is pretty much small things like that. And then the other one, I just keep coupons and stuff like that. So now let's go ahead and get into the main pouch of my purse, which is kind of interesting, to be honest. I don't really have anything in like the size. There's only a couple of small little pouches. I have a pack of gum. That's the only thing I have in the little pouches, which I don't know. I just don't really use them. I don't know why. I don't. First thing is my keys. So these are my keys. This is my lanyard. There you go. Next is my wallet. It's tiny, but I like it, and it's holographic, so that's cool. Inside, I just got my cards and money and stuff in this zipper pouch, which I can't get open. There you go. We got some money in there. And yeah, that's all that's in my wallet. I also have my in-ears because I play for our church's worship band or worship team, whatever you want to call it. And so we use these to hear the music and the click track and stuff. I've got my sunglasses pouch. My sunglasses are currently in my truck, but this is a little pouch that I put them in. I also have pepper spray because you just never know when you're going to need this, okay? I have coins in the bottom of my purse, like probably most people do. It's a way of life, you know. It's just got coins in the bottom. You just throw them in there. It's a lot faster than trying to put them in your wallet. I don't know. So lastly in my purse is this little pouch thing. I don't know what to call it, but it's kind of like a makeup bag, I guess, or a mini makeup bag. My aunt gave this to me, so I have no idea where it's from, but I'm absolutely in love with it. It's got like glitter all over it, but it's like sealed, so you won't lose any of the glitter in your purse, which is nice. But in here, I honestly just keep necessities. Like, it's like a little emergency kit. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. So we have some tissues, some deodorant, because, well, just never know when you're going to need some of that. I have dental floss. That's something that I've actually needed before. Germex. I have some wipes. I feel like, I don't know. I've not used these yet, but I feel like I will one day, and I'll be so glad that I have them because I seriously cannot stand sticky hands. So I feel like they're going to come in handy at some point. I have this little miniature fragrance, perfume, whatever you want to call it. It's like the brand Erin, I think is how you say that. It's the Water Lily Sun scent, and it smells so good. I got these actually in my March Allure Beauty box, I think, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the video link down below as well as in the cards. I have this mirror, which, fun fact about this mirror, I've had this since I was like 6 years old. Hey! You guys can't really see anything because it's tiny, but it's got this horse on the front. I just want to show you guys because it's really funny. If it'll focus. Yeah? No? Are we not going to focus? There we go! So this mirror is just really old, and it's just got a horse on the front, and I just honestly had it since I was 6 years old, so I was like, I'll just throw it in here. Might as well not buy a new one, right? I mean, I've had it this long, might as well keep it. I have a little EOS lip balm, got a hair tie, a EOS lotion, which their lotion's pretty good. I'm not a huge fan of the scent of this one, but it's pretty good lotion. I have so many lip balms in here. I have this Natural Minty Mint lip balm, which was also in an Allure Beauty box that I received. Oh gosh, we're gonna drop it. It's so tiny. This one is a Hawaiian Tropic lip balm, which I actually really like this one. It smells really good, and it's also really moisturizing. And then the last one I have is this little one that my aunt gave me. Not my friend, my aunt gave me. So this is just a vintage lip balm that my aunt gave me. You just like slide it open, and there you go. You can use it. I don't love these because you have to use your finger, and if your finger's not clean, then ew. But, you know, the ones like this are really nice if your hands are dirty or happen to be dirty. So that is everything in my emergency kit that I keep in my purse. I honestly had to use almost every single one of the items in this pouch, and I'm just so thankful that I put this together because it's been a lifesaver. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in my purse. I hope you guys got some ideas as to what you can put in your emergency kit so that you don't, have any breakdowns or anything like that, and, don't have to deal with sticky hands or chapped lips or, embarrass yourself in front of everybody. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I think that's it. I will see you guys next week with a new video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys. This is my fight song. Take back my song. Peace out. That failed. Whatever.